Hello guys, my name is Mika and this is how you can make delicious stir fry that's also vegetarian. The ingredients you need include zucchini, cabbage, mushroom, garlic, bell peppers, a little bit of oil or butter. Make sure the stove is on high temperature. I used spray oil, but you can also use a little bit of butter or oil. Any kind of oil is fine. Make sure the stove is on high temperature and add the garlic in. Stir the garlic around for a couple of minutes. Add the zucchini in the pan and stir it for a couple of minutes. Teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and honey, and also mushrooms, bell peppers, and let it stir for a couple of minutes. And then you add the cabbage and then let it cook for another few minutes with the condiments. Here is the final product. Enjoy!